This is Adam Blau, Vice President of Sales at Lingoport. This short presentation will cover how a technical product solution empowers localization departments to speak the language of software developers and engineers. A common concern localization managers share with us is how to bridge the disconnect between software development and localization. How do you know if you fall into this category? Do your software engineers located around the world follow the same rule sets and practices for internationalization? When a new product or release comes to your department, can you tell in advance of localization how much work and resources are required to fix internationalization errors? Can you show internationalization errors in localized products and how much they cost to fix after release? Localization professionals recognize that quality at the source, either with content or software, can have a great impact on how their work is measured. Are you armed with the right knowledge to empower you to promote the best localization quality? I'm here to tell you that with a technical product solution, you as a localization manager can establish a center of excellence that clearly illustrates to developers and engineers where a bug is located and how it may be addressed. Provide an analysis that quantifies the amount of work required before a product is successfully internationalized. Set up a workflow with development that incorporates resources to fix internationalization before localization. Become a hub of excellence that institutes best step internationalization processes and practices. The typical software development to localization course looks something like this. The initial raw code is subjected to a number of rule sets as set by the project parameters. It is then filtered through Globalizer, exposing a list of internationalization issues to address. The final report is to be shared with development, QA, and management, and clearly lays out all internationalization bugs found in the software. As bugs are fixed, subsequent reports are generated, and day-to-day successes, such as 2,000 embedded strings one day, 200 the next day, reflecting a 90% improvement, are easily shared. All these issues are to be addressed pre-localization. The Globalizer Scan eliminates the need for someone to sift through lines and lines of code and find each type of bug one by one. Instead, internationalization issues are clearly laid out in this intuitive display. This saves developer time that could be used for innovation and enhancing product features instead. Broken down into a case-by-case basis, our customer EMC found that the labor cost for bug identification, reporting, and management was extraordinary, nearly reaching $200,000 annually. Remember that even maturely localized products still have regular new release cycles, which in turn create the potential for new internationalization issues. Product development never really stops, and teams tend to be more broadly geographically distributed than ever before. You're not alone if you have similar challenges or find the idea suggested helpful. Many of our top customers choose Lingoport and Globalizer for the same reason. Thank you for your time. This is Adam Blau signing out for Lingoport.